Today I am going to talk about how to consume Miracle Drinks health supplements for different health disorders. The details will be given on the screen that what are all the products has to be consumed for different diseases. Now, morning routine. Start your day on an empty stomach with these easy steps. Step 1. Begin by consuming the recommended health supplements as suggested. Take them in one go or as per your comfort level. Step 2. Follow up immediately with these powerful home remedies that work as prebiotics for your gut health. Garlic, chew 2 to 3 small pieces. Ginger, chew half a centimeter to 1 centimeter slices. Fenugreek seeds, that's what we call methi, take half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon soaked in water or sprouted overnight. For kids, use half the portion. Step 3. Incorporate yoga and meditation into your routine. Meditate for 20 minutes. Practice 40 sets of pranayama, that is a Bhastrika, and 20 sets of Anuloma Viloma. If possible, drink 50 ml to 100 ml of banana stem juice. Those who are chronic kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, and heart patients who are having ascites, they have to consume 50 to 60 ml. Step 4. For breakfast, if still hungry after your flax drink, eat fruits in moderation. CKD patients should limit fruits intake to less than 100 to 150 grams by observing potassium level, and avoid bananas due to their high potassium content. Ensure that your breakfast consists of less than 30% cereals, more than 60% vegetables and leafy vegetables, less than 15% fish or chicken. Follow the preparation guidelines mentioned in your diet chart. Keep it simple and avoid excessive oils, fats and salt. Afternoon routine. Step 1. Before lunch, take your prescribed health supplements. Step 2. For lunch, drink 1 glass 150 to 200 ml of raw vegetable juice. CKD patients should stick to 50 to 60 ml. This juice should be properly leached. Make sure lunch includes 25% to 30% of cereals like rice or wheat products like bread and roti, 60% of vegetables and leafy greens preparations, 5% pulses and less than 20% fish or 5% chicken. Follow the diet chart preparation guidelines. Adjust the taste as per your preferences while restricting oils, fats and salt. Evening routine. Enjoy a refreshing glass of flax drink, which is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 essentially fatty acids and lignans. CKD patients should not dilute the flax drink with water. And also, second dose of banana stem juice can be taken in the evening as a snack. Night routine. Step 1. Before dinner, take your recommended health supplements. Step 2. For dinner, drink 1 glass of raw vegetable juice. CKD patients should consume only 50 to 60 ml, that is half a glass. Ensure that your meal includes 25 to 30% cereals like rice or wheat product like a bread and roti, 60% vegetables and leafy vegetables preparations which having 5% of pulses and less than 20% of fish or 5% chicken. Follow the preparation guidelines from your diet chart and keep it healthy by avoiding excessive oils, fats and salt. Important reminder These recommendations are flexible and can be adjustable to your taste, preference. However, it's vital to follow the specific dietary guidelines prescribed for your condition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and wellness routines. See you in the next video. Thank you.